everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, for those of you who are curious what WYGO stands for, it means when you get old. So today I am excited to be unboxing the September 2024 Allure beauty box. In this beauty subscription, you're guaranteed to get at least 6 products. 3 will be full size and the others will be travel or sample sizes. It does come with a booklet which will list all of the products and the full size retail value. This is only a $25 a month subscription. If you pay for like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, or up to a year at a time, you do get a discount. Every now and again, we get the opportunity to select our product or the shade of our product. I was super late to the trade. I read the email literally on August the 30th, and September the 1st is when they send out the products. So I got it in at the very last second, but then I noticed I had like a refund of the product I got to select, which confused me. So I'm wondering if they thought I purchased it on its own, or I don't know, it's weird. So if any of you watching also get this subscription, let me know if you saw a weird charge or refund as well. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and grab the first product, which is very heavy. What the heck is this? Oh, it's from Dove, and it's a coconut milk and sugar lychee plant milk cleansing bar. Oh, who knew a bar of soap could be so heavy? I'm actually excited just because I prefer bar soap when it comes to like washing my body. Now, apologies, I am just getting over some mystery illness and I'm a little stuffy, but hopefully I can still smell something. Ooh, that smells really nice. Don't ask me to describe it, but it smells really nice. Kind of like a soft kind of fall cookie, sweet, not quite cinnamon, but very, very yummy. I'm not seeing that in the booklet, but then again, I also didn't want to spoiler alert, so it didn't look super hard, but flipping through, I couldn't find it. All right, let's move on to the next product. Very pretty packaging. What are you and who are you from? Okay, so it's Red Flower Cleansing Hair Wash. Okay, not familiar with this brand. So as far as hair care products go, not too shabby because, you know, we all do wash our hair. All right, so the full size is 40 ml and retails for $38. Are you going to tell me this is for... Yes. This is 40 ml, which means it's full size, which means it retails for $38? That is insane. All right, so that is a very bougie shampoo brand in my opinion. I would find really buying a bottle this big for $38 outrageously expensive. But you let me know if you have bought more expensive shampoos in even smaller bottles. Oh, I did find that Dove bar soap on the same page. So it is also full size and retails for $5.99. So hopefully we get a little extra full sizer in here. You know what I mean? All right, next item is from Ren. And what are you? The Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I have received this several times, but ask me if I've used it. Maybe, I don't know. This is 15 ml. I want to say this is going to be full size. I was first going to say travel, but for an eye cream, this 15 ml is definitely like a full size option. Yes, full size, and holy cow. It's way more expensive than I originally kind of thought. This is $51. Ren. I don't know why I thought you were more kind of mid-tier. $51? That's like Elemis pricing. All right, next item. What do we have here? What are you? I hope a lip product. I can't figure out the writing. Okay. Beauty for Certain. See the word diamond. High-pigment gloss. Okay, that was... They have letters like here, and I was trying to read what it said, and no luck. So this is also full size and retails for $22. I love how they have a section in this booklet called How You Use It. And they literally say, swipe it over your lips for a dewy, glossy lip. Really? As if I wouldn't know how to apply a lip gloss, although they should include instructions on how to open the lip gloss. It has saran wrap all around it. All right, let's take a sniff. Let's see. Oh no, it has the world's tiniest doe foot. I sniffed but didn't comment. It has a sweet scent. All right, the next item is from BANILA Co. And this is the Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. I have received this in various different boxes. This is definitely a sample size. The full size for 100 milliliters retails for $22. We still have a few more products. Okay, this next item is a pencil of some sort. I'm hoping it's going to be a black gel eyeliner. I'm going straight for the book because trying to read off this tiny pencil is going to be impossible. All right, so this is from a brand called Dear Midnight Atelier Lip Pencil in Stella. Wah, wah. It's a lip pencil. What shade? It looks to be some kind of a red. It is full size and retails for $18. I'm going to insert a picture if I can find one because it's nicely saran wrapped, and I know I won't use a lip pencil basically ever, let alone a red lip pencil. So I'll just set that aside for my upcoming 2K giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed and have that bell notification turned on so you can be notified when I do that giveaway announcement. All right, the last product is the one where I had that weird refund. This here is from NUDESTIX, and this is the Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush color. I picked mine up in the shade Naughty and Spice, but let's see if that's what they actually sent me. Yes, okay. There were 4 colors to choose from, so those are the shades, you know. You go back and forth. Hopefully I picked a good one. Okay, one side of the applicator has a brush. I never use those brushes, but it's there if you need it. And then this is the shade here. It's like a dusty rosy pink. Ooh, I think I picked correctly. I just hope I don't already have this shade. All right, that is beautiful. And I will keep that for when I do my sub-box try-on video for the month of September. All right, let's recap everything I got in the September Allure beauty box. Got a plant milk cleansing bar from Dove. Got a lip pencil from Dear Midnight Atelier. A lip gloss from Beauty for Certain. A cleansing hair wash from Red Flower. The Clean It Zero cleansing balm from BANILA Co. The Brightening Dark Circle eye cream from Ren Skincare. And the NUDESTIX Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this was a really good box. First off, I just realized we have 7 products this month, and 6 of the 7 are all full size. I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. This soap bar smells spectacular, and I'm having trouble smelling right now. So if I can still smell it, I can only imagine how well it's going to smell once my sinus issues have cleared up. 3 of the 6 full-size products are actually makeup products, and one of them I was able to select the shade I wanted. The lip gloss, you can never go wrong with a lip gloss. I'm not a fan of lip liners nor the shade red, so this one to me is a little meh. I love a cream blush, and particularly when it's in stick form. I love a good gel cream type of a eye serum or eye cream, and this one is in an airless pump. I'm very curious about this shampoo, particularly because it's super bougie in my opinion. And if you know me, you know I love any kind of lip gloss. I'm going to list the MSRP total value. I'm going to assume this box value is at least $150, if not higher. But I'm very pleased with everything I got this month, and it's definitely worth $23 in my opinion. So if you're interested in picking up this box, I have a friend referral code down below. Don't feel obligated to use it, but if you want to save yourself, I want to say $10 off your first box, feel free to use it. If not, find somebody else's code to use so you can save yourself some money. All right, now I want to hear from you. I'm curious what you thought of the products in this month's box. I want to know if you've received your box yet, and if so, what you thought of the box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.